The grievance of the petitioner is that he applied for LPR because his date of retirement is due on 11 December 2010 and because he has at his credit considerable leave, therefore he was entitled to 365 days leave as LPR, and the rule quoted about completion of 30 years service is not applicable, and on similar ground he has filed an appeal before respondent number 2, but he is sitting over it without making any decision thereon. First up, it is the statutory duty of respondent number 2 to decide the appeal of the petitioner in accordance with law and rules on the subject, and he has no sanction authority to withhold decision thereon. Thus, in view of request made at the bar, respondent number 2 is directed to decide the departmental appeal of the petitioner positively within 20 days at the most, and to intimate the copy of the order to additional registrar judicial of this court. Otherwise, this court would be constrained to proceed against respondent number 2 for contempt of court. First up, with the above observation, this petition stands disposed of. First up, this writ petition has been filed to restrain the executing court from issuing and acting upon the warrant of possession in consequence of the decree. However, this court has already given conclusive decision on the matter, and the petitioners themselves took the case to the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan through CPLA number, which was dismissed in default but has been restored on 6 October 2009. First up, as the main subject matter is pending adjudication before the Supreme Court, therefore this court is divested and denuded of all legal authorities to interfere in the matter, whether it relates to the main relief or interim relief, and because the petitioners were having and are still having ample opportunity to apply to the apex court for grant of interim relief, prayed for herein, and in case possession of the property is taken by the decree holders through the process of executing court, and tomorrow the petitioners succeed before the apex court, and the judgments of the 3 courts below are reversed.